Welcome everyone, welcome to Clarity for Sure session. In this session today we are going to break down the examination structure for both phase 1 and phase 2 in NABARD Grade A examination, which is going to help you a lot for your preparation. So NABARD examination consists of basically two parts, that is your preliminary examination, that is phase 1, and the phase 2 of the examination, that is mains examination. Coming to the very first part, we will discuss both of these phase 1 and phase 2 separately. In phase 1, total 8 subjects are there where they follow a 5+3 structure. That means 5 papers are qualifying in nature and 3 papers are being counted for merit. That means you have to just cross the sectional cutoff in these 5 qualifying papers. That is your reasoning, English language, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude and the decision making. And general awareness, ESI and ARD are being counted for your merit also. So these 3 papers are going to decide that you will coming to the mains examination or not. So it consists of 100 marks. All these qualifying 5 papers consist of 100 marks and rest of these 3 subjects consist of 100 marks. That means total 200 marks examination is being there and 120 minutes is being allotted to the candidates. Secondly, this ESI and ARD part is being carried forwarded in your mains examination also in the paper 2. You have to pay a special attention in ESI and ARD. That means these 2 subjects are going to decide overall that you will be grabbing a seat in the overall interview or not. Coming to the cutoff of last year, that is your 2024, the cutoff for reasoning went to 3.25. The cutoff for English went to 10.75. The cutoff for computers went to 4. The quantitative aptitude went to 4.50. Decision making 2.0. General awareness 1.25. ESI it went to 3.50 and in ARD it went to 6.25. So this was the subject wise cutoff of last year and the overall cutoff for preliminary examination of last year was 47. Coming to the mains examination, it again consists of 2 papers. The paper 1 is of general English and paper 2 is of ESI plus ARD, where descriptive questions are being there in general English. Total 3 questions will be asked to you of 100 marks and 90 minutes will be allotted to every candidate. Coming to the paper 2 of examination, the ESI and ARD part, they are being conducted in both objective and descriptive type. In objective, 30 questions are being asked from ESI and ARD of total 50 marks and 30 minutes are being allotted to the candidates. ESI and ARD descriptive, only 6 questions are being asked where you only have to attempt the 4 questions and 2 questions of 15 marks and 2 questions of 10 marks each. That means total 50 marks will be allotted in descriptive and you have to write your answers in 90 minutes. And the ESI and ARD are very important part of NABARD Grade A mains, both for mains and preliminary examination. Coming to the cutoff for last year of 2024 in mains, the cutoff for general English went to 54.0, that is your 54. And for ESI and ARD objective, the cutoff went to 22.2 and for descriptive it went to 32. 32.0, that is 32, and the overall cutoff for the mains examination was 126.75. This was the breakdown of the cutoff and the examination structure of the prelims and mains examination of NABARD Grade A examination. I hope you must have understood the examination structure for both phase 1 and phase 2 of your NABARD Grade A examination. It will be very helpful for the candidates, those who are appearing the very first time in NABARD Grade A 2025. Prepare your NABARD Grade A for your phase 1 and phase 2 with clarity for sure and grab a seat in NABARD Grade A examination. Join us on Telegram, follow us on Instagram and subscribe our YouTube channel and get notified about every regulatory body examination. Thank you so much. That's all for today.